Canes Venatici, the hunting dogs, the 38th largest constellation, was first formed by Polish astronomer Johannes Hevelius in 1687 and is made up of many faint, scattered stars below the tail of Ursa Major next to Bootes the herdsman. Originally, this constellation wasn't two dogs, it was the club of Bootes, but through translations over time, specifically from Greek to Arabic, things were mixed up, and now we have what we see here as the two hunting dogs, the northern dog being named Asterion and the southern dog being named Chara. And these two dogs are leading Bootes the herdsman on a chase after the Great Bears, Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. Like I said, this constellation does not contain very many bright stars, or prominent stars, but the two most prominent stars are known as Canum Venticorum Alpha and Canum Venticorum Beta, but their more common names are Cor Coralli and Chara. Now, Cor Coralli was named this after King Charles I, who was violently beheaded in 1469. And Cor Coralli means Charles's heart, and it was named this by Charles Scarborough, the scribe to King Charles II, and he named it this because the night that King Charles II returned to England, this star had shined brighter than any other star in the night sky. And the other star, Chara, which is also the name given to the southern dog, is the Greek word for joy. Although there aren't very many bright stars, Canes Venatici is rich with many deep sky objects and messier objects, such as the galaxies M51, M63, and M94, and even the star cluster M3. This galaxy, M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy, is located in the northern dog, and this is a spiral galaxy, as you can see, with long arms that are laced with gas and dust, which are rich in star formation. But one thing interesting about this galaxy is there's a separate smaller galaxy, as you can see over here, that's been passing by it for a few 100 million years, and these two galaxies have seemed to create a kind of bridge between the two of disk and gas. Another galaxy located in the northern dog is M63, the Sunflower Galaxy. This galaxy is another spiral galaxy, but it is also known as a flocculent spiral galaxy, one where the galaxy only contains two arms with massive star formation. And another interesting galaxy we can see located in Canes Venatici is M94, a spiral galaxy that has very little dark matter and is very, very bright. As you can see, there seems to be two kind of separate disks that make up this galaxy. Now, as for the stars of Canes Venatici, Cor Coralli is a hypergiant with a magnitude of 2.9, and Chara is also a hypergiant with a magnitude of 4.26. And Chara has been actually called our solar twin before, as it is very similar to the Sun. And then here I have also put a few other stars that are prominent within the constellation. La Superba is a supergiant with a magnitude of 4.99, and this star is known to glow very, very bright red. While this can be one of the more difficult constellations to see in the night sky, the month of May, right now, is the best time to view it. To find this constellation, you're going to want to look to the northern hemisphere, between the latitudes of plus 90 degrees and negative 40 degrees, and its neighboring constellations are Bootes and Ursa Major. One of the easiest ways to find this constellation is to just find the handle of the Big Dipper and look underneath it or below it, and the stars scattered below that are Canes Venatici. Thank you.